Hey, I'm Dr. Jason with Inspire Medical, and we hear this all the time. Low energy, brain fog, mood swings, trouble sleeping, and where a lot of people think that that's just part of aging, quite often it's hormones. But rather than me telling you about it, I'd love for you to hear it from our patients.
My name is Sharon Morton, and I am an Inspire because of feeling very tired, having no energy, unable to lose weight, just really lethargic and just not feeling well. I've been struggling with my symptoms for probably about 5 years. I have tried fasting, watching calories, eating low carb. None of it ever worked. I couldn't believe how low my hormones were, like practically not there. In fact, they weren't there. My biggest change I noticed was that I got my energy back and I can sleep for the first time in, it feels like 20 years. I feel a lot better. I feel like I'm not getting so old that I can't function. And I feel like I've got some of my youth back.